Hi everyone, today we are working on our call to action button within our membership area, okay? The membership area of your online course in ClickFunnels. This is how we'll do it. So you're going to get to your funnel, okay? That's accessible by clicking on funnels. You scroll down and find the funnel you want to work with. In this case, it's the online course membership funnel. I've named it that so I can easily find it. This is the front cover of the funnel, which I will later delete because that's just some instructional video on how to use my funnel. I've purchased this funnel in the membership area of, in the marketplace, the ClickFunnels marketplace. I've purchased this particular funnel that someone else has designed, Blake Nuber, okay? And he has placed this must-watch tutorial step on the front page of the funnel, which I will later delete, okay, when I no longer need it. Does that make sense? Great. So for this particular lesson, we are working on our call to action button within our funnel, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and click on order form VSL. And this is the page I want. So I'm going to click on edit page. That will bring me to this page here. See this button here? This is the call to action button. I want to edit the call to action button to make it read what I want it to say. So I'm just going to click on it. Click on that little settings button there. It's going to, as you can see, it says button text. And that's where you can change the font, the text, not the font, I mean the text of what it actually reads. Okay, it already says, yes, get access today. I want to customize it to entice people to click on that call to action button. So I'm just going to delete what it says. I've had a look at one way to find out what you want to put on your call to action button is to have a look at what are other successful people writing on their call to action button. This particular one says, yes, help me protect my business. So it's very specific. So I think I'm going to put something like that. That's specific to me and what I'm going to be teaching the people that purchase my course. So I'm going to go back. Yes. I'm just going to have another look at that. It says, help me, such and such, okay? So I'm going to put yes. Help me. Okay. All right. Okay, I think I'll leave it at that. If I see something better, I will change it again. But for now, I'm going to leave it at that. So what happens when people click on that call to action button on this particular page is it says their URL, orders scroll down to the order form. So what's going to happen when people actually click on that is it's going to go down here to this order form here where people can put in their details, and then that takes them on to the step 2, which is the payment page. Okay. So let's save that and just have a look and see what it says and see what it does, I should say. Oops. Save. Don't worry about the SEO data later. Okay, so let's click on preview. So let's see what happens. See, it scrolls down. Very good. What happens when you click on step 2? And as you can see, the price is only 50 cents. So when you're doing your test, you want to put your price as a low amount that you can pay to test it, to make sure it's all working. Okay, and then you can raise the price afterwards, okay? So don't forget to raise that price back up. So I won't be doing a test now. I'm going to make sure it's all integrated properly, and then I'll do a test. But for now, that's our call to action button. That's showing you how to edit the text in your call to action button. Okay, hope that was helpful to you. I'm Miranda Wright. Thank you for joining me, and I shall see you in the next lesson.